Today we are going to enter to the first experiment of class 8. So what is the first experiment given in your book? The selection of good quality seeds for sowing. So this is related with your first lesson, crop production and management. Before growing any plant, we have to select healthier seeds for the better yield and profit. Right? So here, what is the method we are using to select healthier seeds we are going to see now. Before doing the experiment, I will be explaining how to write this experiment in your book. So before writing any experiment, you should know the structure of writing an experiment. Structure means what are the headings you are using to write an experiment. So what is the first heading? The aim of the experiment. Aim. What is aim means? What is the purpose of doing this experiment? That you should write under aim of the experiment. The second one is materials required. Materials required. So what are the things you have to keep it ready for doing an experiment? That we are going to write under the heading materials required. And third one is the procedure. Procedure means the steps of doing an experiment. The fourth one is result. After doing this experiment, what is the result you obtained? That we are going to write under result. The last one is you can write conclusion or you can use the word inference. Here for result you can write one more term, observation. So these are the headings we are using to structure or to write one experiment. First one is aim, second one is materials required, third one is procedure, fourth one is result or observation, fifth one is conclusion or inference. So what is the aim of doing this experiment? To find out healthier seeds for sowing. So we are selecting bulk of seeds. Now we have to find out only healthier seeds for the purpose of sowing and remove all unhealthy or damaged or infected seeds by pests or insects. So if the pests are eaten the seeds, the inside part of the seed will be hollow and lightweighted. That is the main indication we are getting from this experiment. Second one is materials required. What are the materials or what are the things you require to do this experiment? So you need a container for testing this. So container, we can use glass or we can use beaker for doing or performing this experiment. So we need glass. Here I am using glass only for performing this experiment. Then the seeds to be tested. What are the seed samples you wanted to find out whether it is healthy or unhealthy seeds? You need seed samples for performing the experiment. Then you need a stirrer. So stirrer means a thing to mix the seeds in glass. Then water. So you need glass with half filled water. Then you need sample to be tested, that is seed. Then stirrer. Stirrer means for mixing. You can use glass rod or you can use a spoon to mix it. Then procedure. What are the steps of performing this experiment? You are taking a glass with water. You are just putting the seeds inside the water. Just wait 2 or 3 minutes. You can see some seeds are sinking to the bottom. Some seeds are floating on the top. From that observation, you can write the result. What is the result? The seeds which are floating on water are hollow and light-weighted, and those are unhealthy or infected by pests or some microorganisms or by some insects. So insects have eaten the inside part, so it is hollow or light-weighted, so it is floating on water, not sinking to the bottom of water. So the conclusion or inference, what are the seed samples you have taken, those are healthy or unhealthy, you have to write under the conclusion. That is, after doing the experiment, what you have concluded, that we are writing under conclusion. Now we'll perform the experiment. Now let us do the experiment. So same experiment you can perform at home. What are the things you require? You need a glass, water. I have taken 3 samples of seeds. So what are the things available at home? You can select for checking healthy or unhealthy seeds. Then next is the procedure, all the steps you remember. Now I am pouring water to all the test tubes. You need only half filled with water. Okay, enough. So now one by one I am going to put the seeds inside the water. So if you have any confusion, what you can do, you can just do the marking or labeling on these glasses. So I am not doing that now. If you have seeds of the same color, not to get confused, you can do the marking. Here I have 3 seeds. Rice I have taken, and this Bengal gram I have taken. Next is urad dal. So all these 3 samples of seeds I have taken for performing this experiment. So putting to the first seed, that is rice. Second is Bengal gram. Then urad dal. So all these 3, after putting the seeds, you can see some seeds are floating on water. Some are floating on water, some, it is the first sample you can see, it is completely settled down at the bottom of this glass, because what is the inference you are getting after doing the experiment? All the rice seeds what I used here for the experiment, all are good quality seeds or healthier, not eaten by any pests. Next one is the Bengal gram. You can see some seeds are floating because it is infected or unhealthy. The next one is urad dal. Also you can see the light-weighted seeds are floating on water because the inside part is hollow and eaten by the insects. So that is the inference of doing this experiment. So very easy to perform this experiment. You should do and write the experiment in your record book. Thank you.